As the curtain rises on the intricate theater of commerce, the astute observer, armed with a discerning eye, may find themselves compelled to pose an array of poignant questions, each a key to unlocking the mysteries within the unfolding drama. Workman is worthy of his hire. How does this principle of freely disposing of one's property resonate with the ethos of equitable labor practices? In what ways can recognizing the inherent worth of labor transform the dynamics of commercial exchanges? Equality before the law. How might the concept of equality under the law shape a society's pursuit of justice? Can a legal system truly be blind to status, and what implications does this have for a harmonious society? In commerce, truth is sovereign. What kind of marketplace emerges when truth is upheld as the sovereign force? How does a foundation built on unwavering honesty withstand the challenges posed by deception? Truth is expressed in the form of an affidavit. What significance does an affidavit hold in transforming assertions into solemn pledges? How might the sacred nature of an affidavit influence the credibility of statements in commerce? An unrebutted affidavit stands as truth in commerce. In what ways does silence in response to an affidavit amplify the weight of unopposed claims? How does the unchallenged affidavit become a cornerstone of truth in the realm of commerce? An unrebutted affidavit becomes the judgment in commerce. How does the swift resolution of disputes, based on unassailable points, redefine the dynamics of legal proceedings? What role does the unrebutted affidavit play in shaping the final judgment in commerce? In commerce, for any matter to be resolved, it must be expressed. What transformations occur when legal disputes become a stage for the articulate expression of rights? In what ways does the act of expression become pivotal for the resolution of commercial matters? He who leaves the battlefield first loses by default. How does the metaphor of a battlefield redefine legal contests, making silence akin to surrender? In what contexts does strategic silence lead to default victory in the realm of commerce? Sacrifice is the measure of credibility. What does credibility look like when measured against the backdrop of willingness to sacrifice? How might the currency of risk and conviction elevate an individual's legitimacy in commerce? Satisfaction of a lien. In what ways does a multifaceted approach to lien satisfaction redefine the dynamics of resolving debts? How do rebuttals, jury resolutions, and payments dance together in the ledger of justice within the realm of commerce? Workman is worthy of his hire. The principle of freely disposing of one's property resonates with the ethos of fair labor practices by acknowledging that just compensation is an integral part of equitable exchanges. Equality before the law. The concept of equality under the law shapes a society's pursuit of justice by ensuring that legal considerations are blind to social status, fostering a more harmonious and just environment. In commerce, truth is sovereign. A marketplace where truth is sovereign becomes a bastion of trust and reliability, where commerce is conducted on a foundation of unwavering honesty. Truth is expressed in the form of an affidavit. An affidavit's significance lies in its transformative power, turning mere assertions into solemn pledges, and elevating the credibility of statements in commerce through its sacred nature. An unrebutted affidavit stands as truth in commerce. Silence in response to an affidavit amplifies the weight of unopposed claims, making the unchallenged affidavit a cornerstone of truth in commerce, as it remains undisputed. An unrebutted affidavit becomes the judgment in commerce. The swift resolution of disputes, based on unrebutted points in affidavits, streamlines legal proceedings, making the unchallenged affidavit the foundation for final judgments in commerce. In commerce, for any matter to be resolved, it must be expressed. Legal disputes become transformative stages for the articulate expression of rights, providing clarity and forming the basis for meaningful resolution in commerce. He who leaves the battlefield first loses by default. The metaphor of a battlefield redefines legal contests, where leaving the field without a rebuttal is akin to strategic surrender, leading to default victories in the realm of commerce. Sacrifice is the measure of credibility. Credibility, measured against the backdrop of willingness to sacrifice, becomes a currency where risk and conviction elevate an individual's legitimacy in commerce. Satisfaction of a lien. A multifaceted approach to lien satisfaction redefines debt resolution, where rebuttals, jury resolutions, and payments perform a nuanced dance in the ledger of justice within the realm of commerce.